So I want to take a minute and show you the extremely large access we have on this machine. If you remember maybe some of our past videos, we always talk about how we have way too much light and way too much space. So when you look at like our competition's machines or other people's machines, other CNCs and stuff, they put these really small doors on these machines, and a lot of times they don't have very good light. I don't understand why. So here at James Engineering, we make sure that's not true. So take a look at this. We got a really big front operator door. We got a really big side door. So you got all this room right here. We've got a really big door for your filter system so that we can get a 24-inch filter in and out of this thing. We've got a really big back door. So who has doors like this? I haven't seen this on very many machines, but we have giant access. So it makes it, when you want to go in here and you want to adjust tools and work around stuff, you've got all of this room to come in the side, the front, the back. I mean, basically nothing's in your way. You don't have anything hitting your head. You just got all kinds of room. So I think that's really important to look at that and, you know, help consider these things when you're looking at our stuff.